बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Now we start exercise 2.3. Before solving the questions of exercise 2.3, we discuss the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now we know that we have two roots. We have two roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And we write this: x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we write this plus minus, we separate write plus and minus. We write alpha is equal to, this we name the alpha. Alpha is the first root of this of the roots of the equation of the this quadratic equation. Now write here alpha is equal to minus b and plus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now beta is equal to minus b, we have taken plus, we have now write here minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Now we write here, first we find the sum and product of the roots. Find sum and product of roots of the quadratic equation. Now this is alpha and beta. First we find sum. This sum. Now alpha plus beta, we add this and this is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a and plus also minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Also here 2a. Now alpha plus beta, we find alpha plus beta is equal to, now we have 2 in the denominator, 2a and 2a. The LCM of this and this is 2a. Now this divided by this 1 and 1 multiplied by this whole, we write minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac and plus this and divide by this, we have 1 multiplied by this minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac and this over 2. Now we go on next page. We write this alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac and minus b and minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now this again, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, this is alpha, and minus b minus this, it is beta, in the denominator 2a. Now again we write this is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to, now this is 2a and this we take the pairs of this and minus b and minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac and minus under root b square minus 4ac. Now this will cancel this. You have only alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus 2b over 2a. Now a2 will cancel this 2, you have minus b over a. Now we write alpha plus beta, it means sum of the root is equal to minus b over a. Now what is the b? B is the coefficient of x, and a is the coefficient of x square. We write this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now this b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of a. Now again b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. Now we find the product of the roots. Now alpha into beta is equal to, no bracket here, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, and multiply again minus b and minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now this we write here is equal to this 2a multiply 2a 4a square 4a square. Now we write here brackets minus b plus b square minus 4ac and minus b and minus under root b square minus 4ac, this. Right here 4a square. Now this is a plus b and a minus b. We use the a plus b and a minus b, whole square is equal to a square minus b square. We will use this formula, and here we write this a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we use this formula here. Now it means minus b is its whole square and minus also under root b square minus 4ac, this square. Now is equal to, now b square minus b square is b square and minus in brackets, this will cancel this, you have only b square minus 4ac, this over 4a square. Now again is equal to, this is alpha into beta, alpha into beta, alpha into beta, here also alpha into beta is equal to, now this b square we remove the brackets and minus will multiply by inside minus b square and plus 4ac over 4a square. Now this will cancel this and we have only alpha into beta is equal to 4ac over 4a square. Now again alpha beta is equal to 4ac over 4 multiplied by a multiplied by a. It means we write a square is a multiplied by a. Now 4 is cancelled here and this a cancel is, and now we have over c over a. Now alpha into beta is equal to c over a. Now it is the product of the roots. Now sum of root is equal to, roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. We have find, and product of root is equal to c over a. Now we have two roots and we'll use this in exercise this 2.3. Now write 2.3. First question number 1 is equal to, without solving the sum and product, we will write here sum, find sum and product of roots of the following equation. The sum of this of roots. Now the first part is given, it means x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. We write here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by comparing, we know that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 3. Now we find sum. S means sum. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, putting the value minus this and minus also minus 5 over a is 1. Now this minus plus 5 over 1 is equal to 5. Now sum of the roots is equal to 5, and now we find the alpha into beta. It means product, this p product is equal to c over a. Now c is 3 and 1 is 1, or we write there 3. Now this is the solution of this question. Now the second part, we write I write last fifth and sixth part, and remaining part you will do yourself. Now fifth part is L plus M and X square, this X square, plus M and M plus N X, and here plus and plus N minus L, and plus N minus L is equal to 0. Now we write the standard form of equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to L plus M, and b is equal to M plus N, or c is equal to N minus L, this. And we write this sum of roots. We write sum is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, and now this minus, our b is M plus N over a is L plus M. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus M plus N over L plus M. Now it is the solution of this. Now we write the product of alpha into beta. It is also P. We write P, C over A. Now C is we have given N minus L over A and L plus M. Now this C over A, this is the sum of the roots. Now I solve the question number 6, part 6 of this question, and this is the given here: 7x square minus 5mx and plus 9n is equal to 0. Now write it again. Now I write the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by comparing both equations. I will write a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 5m, and c is equal to 9n. Now sum of root s is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. Now minus b into this, our b minus 5m over a is 7. Now we write this: alpha plus beta is equal to this minus plus, or we write here 5m over 7. Now this is the alpha plus beta. Now we find the product of the roots. This is our product of the roots. P, write this P, alpha into beta is equal to c over a. Now c is 9n over a is 7. Now alpha into beta is equal to 9n over 7. Now this is this, and we write also another parts, and the parts is fourth part. Now fourth part is a plus b and x square and minus a minus ax, this minus ax and plus b is equal to 0. Now we write again standard form of the equation: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to a plus b, and b is equal to minus a, and c is equal to b. Now sum of the roots: alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. b over a is equal to this b9 minus into b is equal to minus a, sorry, minus a. Now minus a over a, b over a is a plus b, that's plus b, and we write this minus minus plus, we write a over a plus b. Now it is the sum of the roots. Now we write alpha into beta is equal to c over a. Now c is b, and over a is a plus b. Now alpha into beta is equal to b over a plus b. Now this is the answer of this fourth part. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear students, we solve the question number 2. Find the value of k. If sum of the roots of equation 2kx square minus 3x plus 4k is equal to 0 is twice the product of the roots. First, now we solve this. We write again the equation 2k x square minus 3x plus 4k is equal to 0. Now we write here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2k and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 4k. Now by the given condition and the given condition is sum of the roots, it means alpha plus beta is twice of the product. It means alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha beta. According to given condition, according to given condition, alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha beta. The condition is the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is twice of the product of the roots. Now we find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta and put the values here, then we will find the value of k. Now sum of roots, as we write this alpha plus beta, and we know that minus b over a, or in the above b is minus 3, we write minus into minus 3 over a minus into minus 3 over a is our 2k. Now 2k is equal to this minus plus, it means 3 over 2k. Now this is our sum of the roots, and product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c over a, and c is equal to 4k and over 4k over 2k. Now 2k, 4k over 2k, and we write this k will cancel this, and 2 to the 4, now 2, and we put these two values, sum of the roots and product of the roots, in 1. This, it means 3 over 2k is equal to 2, and 2 into 2 alpha beta 2. Now 3 over 2k is equal to 4, and cross multiplication 3 is equal to this, we write the 3 over 2k is equal to 2 multiplied into, this is the product of the roots, this is the sum of the roots. Now we write 4 over 1 by cross multiplication, this and this, and we write here 3 is equal to 4 to the 8k, and in equal to, now we find the value of k. K is equal to 8k is equal to 3, 8k is equal to 3, and k is equal to 3 over 8. Now the second part of this question, sum of the square of the roots of the equation, the sum of the roots, now we have this written is equal to this, Now this is the second equation. The sum of the roots of the equation x square plus this 3ak minus 7x plus 5k is 3 by 2 times the product of the roots. Now we write again x square plus 3k minus 7x plus 5k is equal to 0, and we write here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by comparing a is equal to 1, this is the coefficient of 1, and b is equal to 3k minus 7 and c is equal to 5k. Now we write here this according to given condition here alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2 times into alpha beta product of now this. First we find alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, and minus b is our minus 3k minus 7 over a is 1. Now alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3k and plus 7 this, and alpha into beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to c over a, and our c is 5k and a is 1. Now I write here 5k. Now putting the values in this 1, we write here product sum of the roots minus 3k plus 7 is equal to 5k. Now this will go on the other side, and right here 7 is equal to 5k and minus 3, or right here 3k is equal to 7 is equal to 8k, and we write here 8k is equal to 7 and k is equal to 7 by 8. Now this is the value of k of the second part of this question.